When you need a little boost to your AC and want a cool little area, look no further than RecPro's air conditioning units. Hey everyone, I'm Brittany from RecPro, and we're going to talk about our built-in air conditioning unit. This air conditioning unit creates 5,000 BTU, which is suitable for cooling a room up to 150 square feet. This unit can be completely installed inside a window or trailer RV as a built-in unit if you set up proper ventilation and intake for the unit. If you'd like to know the dimensions of the unit of the AC, we'll have them up on the screen. This AC unit comes with several modes, which includes auto, cool, dry, and fan, as well as an energy saver mode and sleep mode. The fan is also adjustable with 4 settings: auto, low, medium, and high, which is great so you can have the fan speed to your preference. You can control these modes or fan speeds on the AC unit itself or with the remote included. The vents can be adjusted to the left or the right for control over the airflow direction. This AC unit runs off of 115 volt AC power. Don't let the heat keep you from relaxing. If you'd like to know more about this product, then click on the link below. If you'd like to know what we have going on in the future, go ahead and like and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.